Well, Christina, I can't think of a more 180 turn from what we saw yesterday about this time to what we're seeing today right now.
I know. And the fact that the temperatures are only in the mid 70s in a lot of spots.
Very comfortable outside.
Very comfortable. There is still a little bit of humidity, but tomorrow I think we're going to dial that back even more.
Love it.
It's a give and a take.
Absolutely love it. Christina, you're giving so much good news today.
I love being the bearer of good news because that doesn't happen very often, especially during peak storm season here in Kentucky. And more good news here, though, while we're at it, is that it's only, what, July 9th, I believe, and we've already gotten 2.5 inches of rainfall, putting us well above where we typically are for this time of the month. So great news there. I know we haven't seen much in terms of rainfall today, as all of that's well to the south. We've had a little bit of rain, though, south of the parkways, mainly around Greene, Taylor, and Adair counties, but that's out of your hair at this point. So all of that rain will stay down to the south. We're keeping the cloud cover around at least for a couple more hours, which has really helped us kind of taper those temperatures down. Outside right now, we are just feeling the upper 70s from downtown over to the airport, 77 PRP to Valley Station. Same with you folks in Bowman Field. And then southern Indiana also feeling some upper 70s, but take a look farther to the south where actually it's only 72 degrees right now in E-Town and in Litchfield, so it is quite a bit cooler the farther to the south that you're traveling this evening. As we take you into the next couple of hours, we will still keep those clouds around. Temperatures going to gradually be falling into the lower 70s right around sunset tonight, but watch, as soon as we get those clouds out of here, temperatures are going to be allowed to really fall off, so it is going to be a pretty refreshingly mild start to the day tomorrow, I'd say, because many of us are going to be waking up in the lower 60s, maybe even a couple of upper 50s out the door tomorrow morning. And the best part about tomorrow is that we're seeing that sunshine return, and it's just going to end up being an absolutely gorgeous afternoon. I also mentioned that the humidity is going to be lower for your Monday afternoon as well. I think we'll probably top out a couple degrees below average for this time of year, making it about to the middle 80s here in Louisville, and then a little bit cooler than that outside of the city. And as we take a look at that, we'll plan on some 81s around Paoli over to Salem and English, Indiana. Then on the other side of the river, we'll have similar temperatures, really a lot of 81s and 82s, 82 tomorrow if you're watching from Shelbyville. All across the metro, we'll have temperatures in the low and middle 80s. So temperatures really not going to be varying a whole lot. So we do have a really nice Monday on the way, but what about Tuesday and Wednesday? I do think that the heat's going to be turning up quite a bit for us. We'll see those 90s return Tuesday and into Wednesday, but we are also going to be staying dry. This is Wednesday afternoon. I think we're going to be dry, at least the majority of us will be, as that rain looks to be well to our north. However, Thursday and beyond going to be a completely different story, because that's when the unsettled weather pattern is going to be returning for us. So enjoy tonight. Temperatures falling down to the lower 60s, followed by 86 degrees tomorrow, and it's just going to be a pretty refreshing start to the work week. Always makes Monday a lot more enjoyable whenever the weather is nice outside. Lower 90s Tuesday into Wednesday. Then we're seasonably hot as we head into the second half of the work week, but also dealing with that daily storm chance from Thursday through this time next weekend.